You think you're improving your life, but deep down you know you're stuck in the same place. Hours go by watching self-improvement videos, nodding your head, feeling motivated for a moment, but when the video ends, nothing actually changes. And this is the trap. Self-improvement can destroy your life if all you're doing is consuming content without taking action. It feels like progress, but it's just a comfortable escape. You convince yourself that watching another video or reading another thread is growth. But the truth is, nothing in your actual life is moving forward. Think about it. You watch a video about discipline while lying in bed, scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. You watch a video about focus, but then spend the next 2 hours refreshing Instagram. You watch a video about going to the gym, but your shoes never touch the floor. It feels good in the moment because your brain rewards you for the illusion of productivity. But when the day ends, the only thing that changed was the number of videos you watched. And look, I create self-improvement videos myself, but even I'll tell you this truth. If you're spending your whole day watching me or anyone else, but you're not actually applying anything in your own life, then this self-improvement is not improving you at all. It's destroying you slowly because it keeps you comfortable while convincing you that you're working hard. You already know what you need to do. You don't need another video telling you to wake up earlier, stop scrolling, or focus more. What you need is action. Start small. Open that book you've been ignoring. Write that one page. Take that one walk. Do that one workout. Because the real growth isn't happening on the screen. It's happening in the life you live when the screen is off. So the question isn't, is self-improvement good or bad? The real question is, are you using it to change your life or just to escape it?